A for apron. Apron. B for bee. Bee. C for corn. Corn. D for deer. Deer. E for envelope. Envelope. F for feather. Feather. G for globe. Globe. H for hand. Hand. I for eyes. Eyes. J for jar. Jar. K for kitchen. Kitchen. L for lock. Lock. M for man. Man. N for nut. Nut. O for oil. Oil. P for pencil. Pencil. Q for quarter. Quarter. R for ruler. Ruler. S for sand. Sand. T for tent. Tent. U for uncle. Uncle. V for voice. Voice. W for well. Well. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y for yes. Yes. Z for zigzag. Zigzag.